He's so cool. I'm not sure what kind of gizzard he is. You see his eyes moving? He's cool, look at him. Oh, I love all the things that we see in Costa Rica. So many different ghettos and critters, and he's pretty cool, isn't he? I'm not sure what kind of gizzard he is. Maybe someone can tell me. He's pretty cool looking though. Oh, see, look at his eyes. That is so cool. Hello there, little duty. Aren't you a handsome little boy? At least I think you're a boy. But you are handsome. Aren't you? Look at that stripe down his back. I'm guessing he's some kind of gecko. That's the end of his tail. Yeah, he's really neat, eh? Beautiful face. Yeah, he's really cool. Wow. Oh, I love Costa Rica. Pura vida, everybody.